Good morning everyone. Welcome in computer class of 8th standard, and we are doing chapter number 3, charts in Excel. In our previous class we have done how to move the chart, to resize the chart, to delete the chart, to move a chart from one worksheet to the other worksheet, and shortcut to create a chart. So our today's objectives are formatting a chart, changing the plot area, inserting the chart title, formatting the chart title, formatting the axis, formatting the legends, and formatting the data series. So start with the formatting a chart. So what do you mean by formatting? Formatting means changing the appearance. So now here we are doing formatting a chart. So it means with the help of formatting we can change the appearance of a chart. So we can also format the chart title, line color, data series, legends, etc. So you can format your chart according to your requirement. So start with the first, changing the plot area background. So now I am going to tell you how to change the plot area background. Let's see. So your first step is click on start button, then click on Excel 2016. Click on it. Now Excel window will appear on your screen. Plot area, this is our plot area. Then right click on it. And then next step is click on format plot area. Click on it. Now here you can see on your right side one task pane will appear, and this is a format plot area task pane. Then next step is click on fill tab. This is a fill tab. Click on it and then do required changes according to your requirement. So here I am going to select this option, solid fill. So now you can see my plot area is changed. So these are the steps to change plot area. Next is inserting the chart title. If you want to insert the title, you can give any title to the chart. So how to give the chart title, I will tell you. Click on design tab. Click on design tab. Next step is click on add chart element. This is a add chart element. Click on it. Then click on chart title. This is a chart title. From here, next step is select any option. Here I am going to select this above chart. Now you can see in this chart title is inserted. Next step is type text in it. Any text you can type. Like here I am going to type result. And then last step is click outside the chart. Now you can see chart title is inserted. Next is how to format the chart title. So now I will tell you how to format the chart title. Let's see. Is double click on the chart title, or you can right click as we have previously done. Right click on it and then next step choose format chart title, and you can see this task pane, that is a format chart title task pane on your right side. Then do the required changes. Now I'm going to this click on fill tab, and now take any color like solid fill, like gradient fill. See, chart title is formatted. Now next is how to format the axis. So if you want to change the values of x-axis and y-axis, or you can change the appearance of the axis, then how we can do. So I will tell you how. Right click on the axis, like you want to change y-axis, then you have to right click on y-axis. If you want to change x-axis, then you have to right click on the x-axis. Now I'm going to right click on the y-axis. Next step is click on format axis, and then you will see format axis taskpan will appear on your right side window. Here I'm going to change the values of the axis, like minimum value. Now here you can see the minimum value of y-axis is 0. So now here I'm going to change the y-axis value is 20. So now the y-axis value started from 20. Now you can see here. So you can also change appearance. Click on fill and line and then choose options, any gradient fill, any change you can take. So these are the steps to change the axis according to your requirement. Next is formatting the legends. Formatting the legends means if you want to change the appearance of the legends, if you want to change the position of the legends, so we can do. So how we can do, I will tell you. Is right click on the legend, then select the format legend. Now format legend taskpan will appear on your screen. So then do the required changes, like you can change the position, left, right, top, bottom. So these are the steps to format the legends. Next is formatting the data series. Means if you want to change the appearance of the data series, then you can do. So I will tell you how we can change data series. Is right click on the data series, then click on format data series. Now you can see format data series taskpan will appear. Now do the required changes, like I am going to click on fill and line and then do the required changes according to your requirement. So these are the steps to change data series. This is all about of today's class. Here you have learned how to format the chart, changing the plot area, inserting the chart title, formatting the chart title, formatting the axis, formatting the legends, formatting the data series. I hope you understood today's topic. So do practice of these things at home. Thank you.